Guys, ladies, a long time ago we talked about JASMY for a couple of weeks and days. Right now it's again time to talk about JASMY, because in the last couple of days, actually since the 27th of July, JASMY is again in a kind of an uptrend. But there's a big but, because this area here, so let me mark this out for you. This area here right now acts as big resistance. So in this area here it was a couple of times good support, and after JASMY broke down under this area here, this was once very strong support resistance, and here again, and with this daily candle today, it seems like that this level is definitely not easy to break, cause as you can see here, that was actually a big pump to the upside and a big sell-off after JASMY hit this price level. So let's measure this one out. So this was a downwards movement of 32%. So, and with this daily candle, it is very interesting what will happen. Will JASMY break this key level to the upside, maybe retest it and then skyrocket, or is this level still too strong for JASMY to break, and we see another break to the downside, maybe again to this level here. Let me draw a line like this and retest this level again. If we look also at the fixed range volume profile, then it is a good sign that JASMY is right now above the point of control. What is exactly here? Also, what is a nice confluence, that exactly at the point of control the EMA ribbons are pretty tight. So that could be a sign that maybe if JASMY cannot break with this daily candle above this area, we will see another retest from the point of control and the EMA ribbons. Because right now the EMA ribbons are so tight that they are right before to flip bullish, to flip into the green. If we also look at the Fibonacci retracement tool from this high to this low here, so then you can see a couple of days JASMY was exactly at the golden pocket. Right now broke through the golden pocket and also broke the 7x6 Fibonacci level. In most cases, if a cryptocurrency, a token, a coin, what else, break the 7x6 Fibonacci level, the retracement is over. So, but for this one, JASMY must close the daily candle, this daily candle, above the 7x6 Fibonacci level. If not, then it is likely that we will see another retest, maybe from the golden pocket, maybe from this point of control, but is also another confluence with this 0.5 Fibonacci level. So that are also a couple of scenarios what can happen right now with JASMY. In the next days, I will have definitely an eye on JASMY and will watch what will happen in the next couple of days and weeks. And I will definitely update you on this one. So, if you want to trade, then go to the description and click on my affiliate links. You can claim up a huge bonus on 3 different crypto exchanges, on Bitget, OKX, MEXC, PMEX, what is actually 4. So there you can claim up a huge bonus depending on your initial deposit. The bonus can be at $11,600 US. As I told you, depending on your initial deposit. If you want to trade, then use my links, check these out, and after your registration, mostly there's no KYC needed, then you can of course claim these bonus if you fill all the requirements. Also, right now a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. Always do your own research and never ever trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. If you like this channel, then I would really appreciate if you're new here on this channel, then go and subscribe, click on the notification bell, join for free the nice trading bro community. And if you are a true watcher from my channel and from my videos, I really appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, if you like my content, then leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much, guys and ladies. We see us next video. Have a wonderful day. Peace out and bye bye.